Let me just check the microphone, then we will start from the daily time frame. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm checking microphone. Just give me a minute. I'm checking microphone. I think it's all set. Coming to the daily time frame. On regular trading hours, I'm using QQQs as for the regular trading hours and US 100 for electronic trading session. Let's start with the previous day high. This line represents the previous day high. This blue line will represent the previous day low on the smaller time frame. Let's mark the daily 20 period moving average with a reference line. Marking 20 period moving average. This D2 point will become reference point for 20-day moving average. Now that we have everything we need from the daily time frame, let's move to smaller time frame, which is 1 minute. On 1 minute, let's update hourly 20 period moving average through this line. And we have the previous day high, previous day low. Let's 603.26. 603.26. 603.26. We have everything we need from the hourly now. On the hourly time frame, yesterday we got two strong bearish bars. We moved about 75% of the initial range, then reversed back. Yesterday we got a closing below the hourly 20 period moving average. That was really significant. As we are about to open within the next 5 minutes, the market needs to close above hourly 20 period moving average at best. And for bulls to be in control or to stay in control, they do not want the price to go below this point, which is 603.26. This line will be used as a reference for bullish or bearish balance of power. If we get a closing below this point on the hourly time frame, hourly candle close below this range, then I am not interested in taking a swing long. Otherwise, I'm all interested in taking a swing long, as the context is we are very close to this line. So this will produce major bottoms. Okay, we have this point now. Let's update our electronic session. 24,785, 24,785, 4,700. Twenty-four thousand 785, 24,820, 24,820. We have these two lines now. On the 4 hours, bulls, they do not want to close below this 24,785 for this uptrend to continue and give two or single standard deviation of this move that will take us exactly up to 25,200. So that is what bulls want. Bulls who bought the close of this bar, they do not want a range, neither do they want a close below this point. So they are waiting for this move to happen. Bears, they want to close below this point and reach to this point, get out at break even. That will be make a low one short on the 4 hours. Okay, 600, 600. We are about to open now. Within a minute, do we have news today? Let's say 15. And we are open. We have opened above the 520 period moving average. We are opening above 603.26. These two lines are really significant. I am expecting a big move towards the upside as we have gotten this point. I need the price to stay above 603.26. Bulls need the price to stay above this point. We are closing above hourly 20 period moving average. Let's see what's happening on 15 minutes. Bulls yesterday got a closing above the moving average on 15 minutes. They want price to stay above this point, make some sort of a breakout mode, not give a closing below this range. This the bears trap, bulls trap, bears trap. This is the point. 15 minutes. On electronic session, we have already gotten a validation, a low one short, and a second leg. We haven't got a complete second leg, but it's good enough. Bulls won't accept a close below this range on the 15 minutes. Notice we have already taken the high and the low of the Asian range. We have too many bullish bars. If we get a single standard deviation of 3 bar micro channel, which already gotten validated through this candle. So it takes us to 24,904. Let's see what's the midpoint of today's range. The midpoint of today's range is exactly 24,878. First bar close is a bullish bar. We still haven't gotten close below this point, which was the bear's trap. We bears have gotten trapped. Bulls won't accept a close below this range on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes is one third of the 15 minutes candle has closed. So the first 5 minutes is closed now. Did it closed above its range, 50% range? Yeah, it closed as a strong bullish bar. Bulls, what do bulls want? Bulls are expecting this channel to break, this bull flag to break. Bulls who sold bought the close of this bar or bought more higher above this point. They're expecting a single standard deviation range of 606. I'll buy the close of this bar now. It's a strong enough bar to get a second leg. Single standard deviation of the 15 minutes range takes us above 24,924. by the close of this bar now. We want to close above the hourly 20-period moving average. Hmm. 15 minutes hasn't closed yet. The 15 minutes will close in about 4 minutes. I'm front running that move now. Yeah, so you get the fucking point, mate. Alright, that's enough.